Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week and ready for an amazing weekend. Today, this is my freebie. It's a free printable for today. Now, this is a collection of, if you put it this way, you probably see better. Lots of like different labels and tags. And these are original ephemera and advertisements. So I put it all in together. This is part of my starter bundle. So I'll show you in just a minute on the screen. I put all my digital papers into 12 bundles. So I gave you a fantastic value for money because you've got tons and tons of different pages. And I divide them into different categories. And this is part of the starter pack because I think if you're new to like papercraft or journaling or card making, I thought I wanted to give you something that you can print and then you can use different, for different purposes and different projects without having to buy lots of different papers. So let me show you on my screen. Okay, so this is my website. You recognize by the lovely butterflies that it's Frankie the Wings. So this is the starter pack. It's literally the first kit that you see. Okay, that's very affordable. And then I'll give you a quick view. And all my kit, everything that I listed on my website, if you click on this little square here, is a little video that shows you every single page. Okay, so you have a preview of what you're going to get on each bundle or book. Okay, so this is a video. I'm just gonna scroll it quickly. So that's the page. That's today's freebie. Okay, so you can see exactly what you're going to get. Okay, and this applies to all my digital papers, all my books, etc., etc. Okay. Now let me showcase where and how to download this lovely goodie. As usual, guys, 2 ways to get my freebie. Way number 1 is to join my newsletter. My newsletter is an email, and I will put it here on the screen on the left hand side. I send out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. There is a video recap of the week, papers of the week. There is always a cheeky discount code or a little offer for you to enjoy. It's just a very nice email for chit chat, sometime twice a week. So just look out. And way number 2, because by the time you watch this video, the newsletter has already gone out to everybody. So you won't be able to receive this freebie. But when you join, you will be able to receive next week and the following weeks, etc. So if you want today's freebie, and there is about 300 freebies I have shared on my channel in the last couple of years. It's all put together on my Facebook group. And again, I've put on the screen. My Facebook group is an interactive community where myself and other creators and other crafters shares the project, freebies, ideas, videos, etc. So it's a very, very interactive platform where you can see all my freebies in date order. Okay, so once you join in, you click on files and you'll be able to download everything that is in there in date order. So it's a kind of archive where you can go and help yourself and download everything that is in there. I'm going to go big thumbs up if you like the freebies and if you like this video, because every time you guys interact with me, YouTube get a little notification, and it's really much appreciated your love and support. Guys, I will see you next week, and until then, have a wonderful weekend and lots of hugs and kisses. Mwah. Stay safe and well. Bye.